blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out.
Okay, y'all, so here is the packaging. It's very, very cute. So in my box, I got a wig cap and a little band. So now I'm just showing y'all the actual wig. So yes, it's really cute. It's a 13 by 4. You do get 4 inches all across the lace, and it is an HD lace wig. So I absolutely love it. I'm just showing y'all how the lace blends into my skin and just showing y'all the wig and the inside of the wig. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking my Ghost Bond glue and just layering it. I did do 2 layers of glue, letting each one dry in between until it was clear. And then once I lay my Ghost Bond glue, then I'm going to begin putting on my wig.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy.
Okay, y'all, so I should have let the glue dry a little bit more. I don't know what I was rushing for, but yeah, anyway, let your glue dry until it's clear completely, and then place your wig on. So right now y'all just gonna see me placing the wig on, and I'm just pressing the wig into the glue.
My heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know you gotta talk alright. I know you gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Like you do.
have cut the lace. I learned this new trick from an actual YouTuber. I can't remember her name. I'll leave it down in the description bar below. But I seen she went in with the Ghost Bond glue or whatever glue she was using and went over like the lace in the front. So that's what I'm doing here. And I did go over the whole lace front, like all around the perimeter with that lace glue. And y'all, it really melts the lace. So if you haven't tried this technique, then I would suggest you try it. I love the outcome of my hair and I really see the difference with this step. Okay, so now you're gonna see me go in with makeup and got to be sprayed, like, because I'm just trying to blend the lace to my skin. So you can apply as much as you need, just make sure that it's melted. I was still seeing it look a little lighter than my skin, so you're gonna see me go in with the makeup a few times along with my elastic band, just to like make sure you know that the lace is like really melted. Okay.
Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know.
Okay, now I'm doing my baby hairs. I just used the Got To Be glue gel, and then I use any kind of foam mousse that you have. I use my Motions foam, and that is what I use to lay my baby hairs down.
Nervous when you go, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Okay. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. So I absolutely am in love. Like, I feel like I'm gonna go on vacation. I love this wig. So yeah, it is 24 inches. So I just want to show y'all like where the wig stopped for reference. I am 5'5". This is 24 inches where it comes on me, and I'll show y'all. Yeah, so this wig is very, very full. It's very soft. Like, I love the way the curls look when the hair dries. So it's really, really pretty. And I like that it's 4 inches all the way across. So if I want to do like different styles, I can like switch it up. So yes, I am in love. And I do want to thank y'all again for watching this video. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.